Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. I look cute. Okay, girl, you look cute. Yeah. Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm dressed. I had to pull out a teddy coat because I'm going to the city today. Yeah. Well, now I'm about to go to the city right now. It's Sunday, December 18th, and I'm like, I haven't been to the city in a minute, so. And it's Christmas. It's a holiday, so I have to go to the city. But I can't get over how cute I look. Oh my god, I look so cute. I love this little turban thing. But yeah. So the plan is to go to Bryant Park or Rockefeller Center, or to go watch the Saks Fifth light show and 34th Street. That's the plan. So it's now like around 4:30 ish. So I'll see y'all get to the city. I'm not gonna see this until January. But anyways, continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. I love the fact that y'all keep watching. I see the views going up and I'm here for it. Thank you for the support. But please subscribe. Okay? Happy holidays, and I hope y'all Christmas and the holiday season was beautiful to you guys. Finally got to the city. This is the vibe out here. Even though it's cold, this is what we do in New York in the holiday season. Come on here and sit and eat and chat and vibe, spend time with their loved ones, you know? Let them have a whole Bridge Mobile out here. I'm done with them. That was rich.
There's not much more than you will now ever know. And I say to myself,
One of the people's first I like that.
oh yeah, happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Well, I'm about to give this man.
Yeah.
We always wanted to give this man. Hold this. I took a man to give him this now. So I just got to 42nd Bryant Park to go to the holiday market. I do need some hot chocolate because out here not nice at all. It is not nice out here. I just got to the market. I got fresh cider donuts here. Try that. I got jewelry here. Jewelry over there. They have this Christmas in New York shop. You can buy ornaments and stuff for your Christmas tree or decorate your house or whatever. There's the skaters over there. You wanna go skate? More and more. Just got a hot chocolate from here with marshmallows. Yeah.
Not that that's like my ideal. That's actually not necessarily why that makes it fun. I'm not gonna downplay my.
We're on this line for the s'mores and the marshmallow hot chocolate. Yeah, I'm gonna get the hot chocolate and my Italian donut and see. So they have the ice skating rink here. So they have the ice skating rink here. They have this big Christmas tree right here with the Santa's corner, and then they have the icy cozy igloos. I should say the cozy igloos. This is like a cute setup for date night, friends date, whatever. It is just so cute. I wish I could stay. I really wish I could freaking stay. An hour later, like, yo, this line is so long. So freaking long. Why does the camera so dark? I don't like it. Yeah, so right there. Finally here. So that's the menu. Christmas tree. Been on this line for an hour. 1 hour. Been on this line for. Just some hot chocolate. It's giving no priority. But the priority is to stay warm and it's cold. But yeah, it's worth it. But I've never had a s'mores before, so I'm gonna get a s'mores. And I'm not a marshmallow type person, but whatever. I don't like marshmallows. They're too sweet. I'm gonna have to go with it today because it is what it is. I wanted to see the professional skaters skate, but I guess they're not doing that today. Everybody keep walking past this line and like, wait, that's a line for the s'mores? The s'mores hot chocolate? Like, what y'all doing? Like, y'all came out here for it too, so y'all should know. The line was gonna be crazy. Nah, to be on this line for an hour is crazy. I came out here to come to the market, so it is what it is. I'm gonna try to get an Italian donut. I don't know. Hopefully they have it by the time we get off this damn line. It's funny that it's so funny because they be walking by not knowing how crazy this line is. They don't even know what they're about to get themselves into. It better be worth it. That's all I know.
On the s'mores original, it's gonna be delicious though.
I hope so. I never had it before.
Oh yes.
So first time.
Yeah. You're gonna
I
love
love
it.
it
Let me tell you.
hours, so I hope it is.
Oh yes, it's gonna be delicious. Let me tell you. We're making these delicious s'mores for you. Classic vanilla. And don't forget to try. Let's more and more, guys. Yes, more and more. And we gotta melt down the chocolate, guys. We gotta melt down the chocolate. I'm gonna get to the delicious bottle there. You guys are ready? Look at this, guys. Look at that. There you go. Delicious, guys. There you go. No problem.
Oh, the mug one also.
Yeah, I got it for you. So which one are we gonna get the most?
The Funfetti.
There you go. Okay. Guys, are ready? Come on, guys. This is gonna be delicious. Yes. You guys are ready for a delicious one?
Thank you so much. That looks so good.
And another delicious on it, guys. You guys are ready?
Yeah. That looks good. See that? Oh, that is nice. We finally got everything. After an hour in this line. Yeah, so we're about to try this now. Cheers. How's it? Like it? Yeah. This thing big. I don't know what to do with it. Cause you're over here enjoying the hell. Okay, let me taste it. I'm not a... It's good. It's good. I'm just a hot chocolate. The hot chocolate is sweet. I'm freaking out. It's worth it. Not gonna lie, it's worth it. I'm trying to the worst part before I board.
I just got them s'mores. Enak. Anto hidup mas. Oh no.
This hot chocolate is mad good.
Is it worth the long wait for this?
It's my first time having it, but yeah,
You think so? How long did you wait?
an hour.
Yeah, someone else will walk back in.
Nah, this hot chocolate is mad good.
Part of the problem is they only have one person working.
But I want to try the s'mores. Sorry, see, to block you. Sorry to block you like that.
Sorry, honey.
No. I'm here breaking the damn cracker. Please don't break. I'm trying to take it out of the container. I'm here about to struggle. Alright. So, this is my first time trying s'mores. Don't judge me. Here it goes. Okay. That's a big bite. That's good. I barely taste the sweetness of the marshmallow. I think that's the chocolate, the graham cracker. Okay. I'm gonna be eating no more of that the marshmallow. The other marshmallow because it's way sweeter. That one is way sweeter than this one. Yeah, the hot chocolate is really, really good. It's perfect. It's not overly sweet, anything. This is really good. Maybe because it's my first time, but this is really, really good. You want me? No? Had it before? if I'm the only one that never had this. I like this. Napkin, please? Well, that's it. My finger is breathing. My glove. Yeah, this is too sweet. This gotta go. I had most of the s'mores. It's too sweet though, so I'm not gonna finish that. Yeah, that's a line. It's so cold. I'm trying to stay warm. My hot chocolate.
Fishing one tonight?
Which way we go? The cozy igloos I was showing you guys earlier. Well, up close. That is so dope. You have to reserve them. That's the site. Basically, you can order food and bring it in there to eat with your friends, family, loved ones, whoever. But I just love this. This is just so dope. Whoever thought about this is a genius.
It's fun for you because you're always late.
He said what he said. Alright, so this is information for the skating rink. That's good stuff. So we was gonna, I was about to leave, but I came to the other side where the rest of the holiday shops are. Yeah, so here, right behind the Christmas tree. There's a lot of shops over here, jewelry and everything. So they literally tell you to have a whole map of the shops and stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so cute. See, I saw that painting somewhere. I have paintings in here, see? This is your corner, girl. Colorful New York. They got paintings in here. That's cute. Curling Cafe Bar. They have igloos. Other places too. Alright, we're about to go. So welcome to Bryant Park, Winter Village at Bryant Park. The rink, free admission skating, holiday shops, and the lodge. Through March 5th. Oh, they each tell you the dates for each of them, so yeah. We're gonna be out and we're gonna go to Rockefeller Center. Look at New York. What time is it? Oh, Curling Cafe and Bar. Oh, that's where this thing starts over here. Mr. Frosty outside. Mr. Frosty don't care if 35 degrees in New York. We're supposed to be outside, okay? Oh, so for all of y'all that want to know how to get here, there goes the train, all the trains. Fifth Ave Bryant Park. That's all the trains. We have one more place to go, so we're going to go to Rockefeller Center. And we're going to walk. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Be sweet to me. When you feel like satisfying you, give it to you. Hey. Oh my goodness, hey. Right by the street. You went where? People cars like, what is going on? That's about like 360 booths already, like 3 of them. They smart because you making money out here with all the Christmas trees and everything. So pretty. So yeah, we are at Rockefeller Center. And there's a lot of people out here, per usual. What I was talking about. We got a picture right here. Like, I see everybody taking their pictures. Everybody's taking their pictures. This is so pretty. Like, why not? Oh, this is so pretty. My city is so pretty. Like, look at that. Why would you not want to be here? Why would you want to be anywhere else on Christmas? Why would you want to be anywhere else? What other state? There's a whole vibe out here. Like, look at this. Look at this. A whole freaking vibe. With our New York anthem playing in the background. Like, come on. We don't give us Christmas. We blasted that one. It's really cold out here. Now we're walking to Fifth Avenue to see the Saks Fifth light show, the window show that they have in the lights. But we going to see the Rockefeller tree first. Oh, we're right here by the tree now. Oh shit, I didn't notice. I thought all these people here. So we're going to see the tree first, then we're gonna go on Fifth Avenue to see the. Oh yeah, look how big it is. It is so pretty. Yeah, so we're by Rockefeller Plaza to see the Christmas tree. Tree. Gotta come back out here. Hopefully I get to come back out and take pictures. This is so it's literally down the block from the big red, you call them things, balloons or whatever, those big red things we buy just now. So it's literally down the block from there. If you don't know. This tree is big. Of course, they're taking photos. I'll walk up to the gonna go on Fifth Ave now because yeah, pretty much hectic out here.
Yeah, I get my bid smart.
So my last stop of the night is the Saks light show. They have this light show at the window. I think it's about to start. Oh yeah. But now we're busting away. The bus about to mess up everything. Child. This bus about to blow mine. Oh, this is why they had the whole thing without shopping.
While you're in the world,
got done seeing the light show. Now we're over here by the tree. Go ahead. By the tree to get a better view. Way better view of the tree over here. Little angel things. Way better view. It's a lot of people out here and it's cold. This will be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!